So I'm going to show you guys that are trying to put on these Chinese running boards a little bit about how to do it. Because when you go to put these on, you're going to notice that they don't fit. And the problem with them not fitting is that I think this arc is bent straight, but this is not bent tight enough over here, and they rub against the bottom of the door. So usually what I do is I'll put them on first, and then you can either use a, oh, yeah, so the lock is stuck. Hold on. I don't know, the door was stuck. So anyway, but you'll find that along here they end up rubbing. So what I do is, and just plan on this, and this is why I'm telling you guys about this, because a lot of you guys are going to buy the running boards. You're going to go, hey, I'm going to go take these back because they don't fit. You're going to get another set, and they're not going to fit. So you'll go through whatever. None of them fit. Okay, that's just normal with these cheap running boards, the Chinese ones. Now you can go out and spend $200, and you get the Wilsburg West running boards, and then you got $200 running boards. Maybe you don't want to spend $200. Maybe you got this kind of car here where I'm not going to put that kind of money into it. So what you do is go ahead and put them on. Be real careful and open the door up. And what I do is I use one of these flat dollies right here, but I'll take this and pry it down, and then I take a hammer and I'll just hammer this thing down. So you can see it's a little bit rough, but once I clean this all off, you won't really notice how it is. Just make sure that when you get done, the door does not rub the bottom of it, because I talked to a couple guys at the car shows and they go, hey, I already bought those and they rubbed through already. It's like, dude, you gotta go through and you gotta hammer it straight. So usually I'll use either a dead blow hammer. I'll take this thing here and hold it on there and hammer on that, or I will use a plastic hammer. Even a plastic hammer will work to get the running boards to fit, and then I'll just hammer in place. The other little tips and tricks I use is when you're tightening up these bolts that go along here, just go ahead and push down really hard and try and push it down as far as you can when you're tightening those up, so that it's down as flush as it can be. All right, so that's little tricks for the running boards. Just plan on having to beat them up a little and then clean them. Usually use like brake. You be real careful if you're going to do this. I use brake fluid, and that kind of will take these marks off of here, make it look like brand new. But if you get it on the paint, it'll take the paint off. So just be really, really careful with that and wipe it off real clean. Talk to you in the next video.